Okay guys, today we're going to be making my famous mashed potatoes. Okay, a couple things needed are, the main ingredient, potatoes. I usually use about 5 pounds of potatoes, cubed butter, sour cream, chives, salt, and I put a little bit of pepper. And you'll need like a 8-quart pan and a strainer, a potato masher. I don't know if it's a potato masher, it's a masher. A spoon and a knife. So first thing, wash potatoes, and then next step is to, you can cook them whole, or I like to chop them. So next step, here it comes. Okay guys, just to make the potatoes soften faster and to make them easier to mash, I usually just cut them into cubes. Put them in the pot. Just like that. Okay, I finally got it to boil, so now I'm just gonna, for the next 20 minutes, I'm just gonna watch it, and I'm just gonna take a fork and I'm just gonna poke at the potatoes, and as soon as it gets really soft, super soft, where I think it's gonna make it easy to mash them, I'll take them out and strain them and then start mashing them. Okay guys, the potatoes are ready. I've been boiling them for about 20 minutes now. I've been just checking them. I just took a fork and I just poke at them, and I keep checking them until they're really soft. And I try to get them, you don't want them to come completely apart in the water, but you want them soft enough to where you could smash them up easy. So next step is we're going to strain out the water and add the ingredients and smash them up and mix them up. And just be really careful doing this. And I'm not going to rinse them. I just dump them into a strainer and drain out the water. Next, I got the pan here. I'm just gonna cut up the butter, and I just like to cut it up, put it in the bottom, so when I dump the potatoes back in, kind of helps melt it. Just going to dump the potatoes back in and start adding the ingredients. Okay guys, I got the potatoes back on the oven. I don't have it on, but it's still kind of warm, so I just like to sit it there just to keep it warm while I add the ingredients. So first, I'm just going to add the chives, and they're just chopped dried chives, and I'm just going to add, I only got half a bottle left, so I'm just going to add the whole thing. And then I'm going to add a couple scoops of sour cream. And I kind of like to add it at this point just because it kind of helps mix it while I smash it. And then just on the butter, I don't really measure it, I just kind of do a couple palmfuls, about that much. And then you could do it to your taste, whatever you like. It's good without it too. You don't have to have it in there, but it does add a lot of flavor, so I would recommend it. And usually what I'll do is I'll mix it up with that much, and then, you know, if I need a little more, I'll add some more then. So I'm just gonna mash it up. And you can make it, you know, mash it a little bit and it'll make it kind of chunky if that's how you like it. I kind of do a little bit of, not too creamy, but I try to break up as much chunks as possible. I think that's good, so. I'm just going to take the spoon and just going to mix up the ingredients a little better. Just add a sprinkle of pepper. And that's it. Just taste it. It's awesome. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, and just time for one final taste test and see if it's done. And you wanna try it on it? Mm-hmm. What do you think?
It's really good.
Thanks, guys.